Opibus, a Swedish-Kenyan technology company that develops, designs, and manufactures electric vehicles tailored for the African continent, has just introduced the first all-electric bus in Kenya. Opibus designed and developed the electric bus in Kenya. This is the first major step in the company's vision to provide a locally designed and developed electric bus that can be mass-produced for the Pan-African market by the end of 2023. This is also a step towards realizing Opibus's goal for electrifying Africa's public transport system, deploying products tailored for the local use case. The bus is designed and developed in-house with local engineering talent, while at the same time utilizing local manufacturing partners. Opibus was the first company to deliver locally produced electric motorcycles. With nearly 100 employees, of which 40% are female employees, Opibus is today the leading manufacturer of electric vehicles in Africa and has one of the largest fleets of electric motorcycles deployed so far. The company is gaining some significant traction with over 170 vehicles deployed to date. Here's a summary of the specifications of the new electric bus from Opibus. Power, 225 kilowatts. Torque, 706 Newton meters. Top speed, 85 kilometers per hour. Battery capacity, 121 kilowatt hour. DC charging power, 90 kilowatts. Charging time, 1.5 hours. AC charging power, 20 kilowatts. Driving range, up to 120 kilometers. Regenerative braking to battery, customizable. Fully electric power steering. IP67 waterproof rated powertrain. Liquid-cooled motor, controller, and charger. This bus will significantly lower the cost for operators to switch to electric vehicles compared with importing fully built electric buses. The electric bus will also offer operators a superior operating experience and performance compared to its diesel counterpart. With the installation of a power motor, the bus has maximum torque, which improves performance while enabling the driver to accelerate more responsively. Additionally, since the electric bus does not have a combustion engine or manual gearboxes, there is no oil, filters, gasket that need to be changed. This translates to an 80% reduction in maintenance expenses compared to a diesel bus. Energy costs for electric vehicles are also significantly lower than the ever-increasing diesel price. Therefore, the total operating expenses are lowered by 50%, and this will revolutionize the public transport sector in Africa.